I would add some more information about commerce to you all. Um, KM Birla, the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, Motilal Oswal, co-promoter, chairman and managing director of Motilal Oswal Group, and Deepak Parekh, Padma Bhushan winner and the chairman of HDFC. They are all students of commerce. So, well, all of them are from commerce stream. Okay. Commerce is a branch of any business which covers the economical part of the legal, social, political, technological, and cultural system. Commerce helps in increasing the human beings' basic and secondary wants. So now let us go towards the popular degree offered in this field. As we said, Bachelor of Commerce. Already we discussed the colleges, and then now let me tell you some more popular courses of BCom honors. The courses are, as I said it in the previous video, are 3 years undergraduate, and the difference also I told you. Okay, and we must know about the courses in depth. So whoever is pursuing BCom course, for them the courses are CA, Chartered Accountancy. All business and finance firms require chartered accountants. Qualified CAs will have a chance to figure in both public and personal sectors. Chartered accountants add fields of accounting, including public, management, and government accounting. While explicit employment obligations shift significantly inside explicit positions, many duties shared among CA and CS includes preparing financial reports, documents, maintaining records of investment, reviewing potential financial, and providing professional opinions with regard to the fiscal decision of the firms. Okay, so now about company secretaryship. I said about CA, Chartered Accountancy, and now about company secretaryship. I remember one of my classmates who took science as major subject. She was a secretariat. She worked as in secretariat, and I think she took CA. So they have a wide scope. So CS is company secretaryship. A company secretary is a senior managerial position which exists in a private as well as public organization. The principal role of a company secretary is to make sure that the administration of a corporation is efficiently run in accordance with the principles and regulations of the states where the corporate and its offices are located. Also, the choices which are taken by the board of directors of a corporation are implemented effectively under the guidance of a company secretary. So this is company secretary's CS details. Now about cost and management accountancy, it's a CMA. Okay, CMA. Certified management accountant is an expert, a confirmation accreditation in the management accounting and financial management fields. The certification connotes that the individual possesses knowledge within the area of monetary planning, analysis, control, decision support, and expert morals. Candidates who successfully clear CMA can get top management positions like managing director, finance director, financial controller, cost controller, finance manager, chief internal auditor. Okay, so now students can pursue with commerce and mathematics as a subject in class 12th. So this is important when you whenever you are planning for a CA, CMA, and CS. Better pursue pursue commerce with mathematics when you are in 11th and 12th. So commerce is important, and I, as a 12th standard children, I took up economics and statistics. Commerce, mathematics was a bit frightening. Even today, I have a problem because I don't know mathematics. Mathematics is very important. So try to take mathematics as important subject when you are in 11th and 12th. So your base is important. Okay. So actuarial science, this is often a discipline that applies mathematics and statistical methods to assess risk within the insurance and finance industries. Okay. um, as we must understand the complete courses, I am making you bit clear about it. Actuaries are majorly involved within the decision making in insurance investment, financial planning and management. There are three main functions of an actuary: identifying the likelihood of nasty events or catastrophes, evaluation of an answer to manage and minimize the likelihood of said bad event from occurring, and then analyzing the losses that the danger might cause and devising a solution to scale back its consequences to the economy. Life insurance and pensions plans are the two main application of actuarial science. So present pandemic situation, actuarial science will be helpful, right? So financial analysis. This term and course refers to the assessment of the viability, stability, and profitability of a business or project. It's done by professionals using information taken from financial statements and other reports. These reports are usually presented to top management for creating business decision. One key area of monetary analysis involves extrapolating the company's past performance into an estimate of company's future performance. Banking. I was thinking CA and BMA are for banking alone, but see, such a vast fields are there if you are pursuing commerce. But commerce, CA, CMA is not that easy. Okay, you need to do a lot of studies right from 11th 12th, and your basic is important, that is 6th 7th 8th max is very much important. So listen to me, still more are there. Banking jobs in the banking field involve helping people build a fortune. Bankers are involved in manifold activities like accountancy, customer service, front desk handling, cash handling, account opening, loan underwriting, loan processing, rear operation, product marketing and sales, loan recovery, retail asset management, and property appraisal. According to the India's Brand Equity Foundation, that is IBEF, India's India Brand Equity Foundation, which is a trust established by the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and Government of India. The total credit extended in India reached $1.3 trillion as of Q3 FY19. This is often growing per annum, both scale and scope. Now about BBA. It is yet another popular option among students after their 12th commerce. The course lasts for 3 years, where students gain knowledge about business and its administration. Students are exposed to numerous business aspects and approaches. This is often best for students who are business minded and further want to take their business to higher levels. In the field of commerce, apart from the above mentioned courses, students also have other career options such as becoming certified financial planner, CFP. Okay, CFP is certified financial planner, chartered financial analyst, CFA, chartered financial analyst, CFA, member of Association of Chartered Certified Accountancy, ACCA. So kindly remember CFA, CFP and ACCA. ACCA is Chartered Certified Accountants. Okay. So now about CFP, Certified Financial Planner, All the students who have an interest in areas like personal finance, wealth management, insurance planning, the open-end fund investing, etc., can pursue this course. This course is represented and directed by Financial Planning Standards Board India, FPSP. So, what is FPSP? Financial Planning Standard Board India. Okay. Now about the Chartered Financial Analyst. It's a globally recognized professional credential in financial management and investment offered by CFA Institute. The CFA course is considered the world's most respected and recognized designation in investment management. Any fresh graduate willing to build a career within the investment finance industry is going to be equipped with world class knowledge. Now, about ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's the worldwide professional accounting body offering the Chartered Certified Accountant qualification. As a globally recognized education qualification and updated industry relevant course, ACCA qualification may be a good way to build a career in accounts and finance. Students can pursue this course alongside their graduation. We will discuss about all these courses in individual sections when I get time. So this was about courses which we undergo to become a commerce expert. Thank you.